My plan this year has been to post once a week, every week for 2026, and today's got ahead of me. I have 20 minutes left to post, and for the fourth week in a row, I've left it till the last minute. I've spent all day editing this video, and well, not the one I was trying to upload, and then my laptop died and I didn't have my charger with me, and I was working a job, so we have no video, but we have this one, and I don't know. Do you not post and break the streak because it's not a good enough video? And it should be quality really over quantity. Or do I just post, hopefully what this ramble is right now, so I've at least got something posted this week and I don't break my chain? I'm going with the latter, and then I will just finish the video that was supposed to be done today and get that posted tomorrow. And then do I remove this? Is that good enough? It's just a little bit late. I don't know. I'm not very consistent at anything, and this year I wanted to be consistent at posting the videos, and I've fallen completely off the wagon. I need to get back on it desperately. Just make creating videos easier for me, but I want to make them good, like, so that they're worth watching. The last couple have been really not worth watching, so I'm not surprised that nobody's watching them. It makes complete sense. Yeah, quality versus quantity. Do you post it? Do I break the chain? I don't know. We're going to post it. 1 minute 45, that should be long enough for a video. Okay, hopefully see you tomorrow, I guess.